Hey guys, Danny here at Partay. So, Mr. Bird, you see that? You see that slurpy, 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 slurpy stuff? This is all images you took of your slurpy, slurpy, slurpy stuff. Doesn't look like this, does it, Mr. Bird? That's a freshly painted panel. Doesn't look anything like what you created. That's because you got nothing right. Nothing. And then we see how fast and easy you can paint your screen, right? So you touched the screen at 2:04 and finished at 9:38. Now you took about 10 seconds to talk to the camera. So I'll take a little off, but I started at 2 when I poured it on the screen and finished at 6:57. So let's take a look and see what the time differentials are. It took you 7 minutes and 24 seconds. Taking that 10 seconds off for you to paint, and me 4:52. That's facts, Ken. Blows all your drama queen theatrics out of the water. But look at your results here. It's nasty. Stripes everywhere. This is white clip, dark on the right-hand side, bad. You can't make out anything about her arms, appendages, anything. It's just ugly stuff, Ken. But you spent all that time trying to smear my channel for nothing. And then now you're trying to sell this narrative, but you're really trying to resell it because we found out. We found out that these original leprechaun investors that you talked about are really just a hookup from your sister for the African American Chamber of Commerce there and a boys, like a place that helps wayward boys. And Mr. Bird, that's a fine thing. It's fine if you do something for charity. But see, for you, now that's me on the left and that's you on the right there, Ken. But for you, I know that you could give a damn about charity. This is all about you trying to use that as some prop to propel your nasty looking crap here. So no, Mr. Bird, you didn't figure anything out. You didn't solve anything. You have no idea what I'm making. There's Smurfville. You just like to lie. It's your favorite pastime, is to take something that is nothing and try to create something out of it. Didn't work. Didn't work. Now, you made the statement that anybody who wants to buy a knockoff projector and try it with your paint to let you know if it worked, right? But I distinctly remember when Matthew tried your paint with one of your knockoff, quote unquote, projectors, which actually isn't a knockoff. You threatened to sue him. Isn't that what you did? You threatened to sue him. So when you finish painting the walls of that nice place, yeah, it's an older building, Mr. Bird. But when you finish it, right, then what? Because at the end of the day, it's still a shit paint. And nobody with any sense is going to invest in it. So props to your sister for getting you a little job, but you ain't going nowhere except maybe Scotland because you just been killed. All right, guys, take care.